here. It is bright and early. It is 6:53 a.m. East Coast time. I haven't even had my first sip of coffee, but I was jumping on here. Had to approve some licenses for some of you all, some new members. So that's awesome. Get y'all crushing on trading. And I saw this trade for ES coming down right now. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to do one contract. I never trade this early in the morning. This is pretty early in the morning for me. So we're in one contract of ES, and why are we in this? Why are we in this trade? Well, starting all the way back here, almost 50 minutes ago, we started getting all these confidence arrows to the downside. This is what I love about the Maverick AI Pro. Again, this is an indicator built by traders, refined with artificial intelligence and research and development. And it gives you so many clues because trading is stacking probabilities. I want to say that again. Trading is just stacking probabilities. If 9 out of 10 signs say go to the right, you go to the right, right? So you would never go to the left if 9 out of the 10 signs said go to the right. You're stacking probabilities. So where are our probabilities in here? Sorry if my analogies aren't hitting at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. So first thing is you got all these down confidence arrows. These are not signals. These are confidence arrows to tell you, hey, heads up, this is the most immediate direction. Okay, so we got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4, and we just got our 5th one to the downside. The Maverick AI Pro, I don't even have to think about trends because it colors my background. Right now, we're in a downtrend. Yes, of course. But also, I can see that clear as day with a red background. Bright green candles are your highest momentum up candle. Okay, well, that's great. We took this thing all the way up. Dark green are your second highest momentum. Gray means indecision or reversal. Red is your highest momentum to the downside. Pink is your red is your second highest to the downside. And pink is your highest momentum to the downside. When you see pink, it will most likely sink. That's what we say, okay? When you see pink, it will most likely sink. And you can see I'm already up $100, and I'm only in one contract, okay? So here is my analysis of this, because you still need technical analysis. Oh, by the way, sorry, I want to also show you that our Maverick Multi-X, this is this indicator down here. If you're not familiar with the Maverick Multi-X, I'll give you a 30-second crash course. Instead of having 6 monitors on your screen, instead of having 6 charts on your screen, you can set the Maverick Multi-X, this guy down here, 6 time frames. You can actually set it to 7 time frames. I only have it on 6 time frames right now. And so here's your 1 minute, your 3 minute, your 5, your 10, your 15, and your 30. By the way, you can set these to whatever you want. So if you want it on the 60 minute, the 90 minute, the 120 minute, the 3 hour, whatever you want, you can do. And even customize the colors. So you got all these time frames here. And what's here? Well, think of T1 through T5 as Trader 1 through Trader 5. Each trader has a different style. They look for different things. What's important to Trader 1 might not be important to Trader 4. And what's important to Trader 4 might not be important to Trader 2. They all have a different style. What's cool about this is instead of having 6 monitors on your desktop or 6 charts on your screen and trying to read 8 million different indicators and go, what's our trend on the 10 minute? What's our trend on the 15 minute? What are these indicators saying on the 15 minute? All with different styles. Again, I told you trading is stacking probability. So what if I told you that 5 traders, all with a different style, but obviously they're all in it to, profit. 5 traders all were taking their own vote on each of these time frames to tell you Do they feel like that time frame is going up or going down? How cool is that? Okay, so right now, traders 1 through traders 5, they're fully bearish on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, the 10 minute, and the 15 minute. They're still slow to turn on the 30 minute, but look at all night long, this thing, like Lionel Richie, has been coming up. Look at this thing. So of course the 30 minute is going to be the slowest to turn. All right. Stacking probability. Don't make this harder than it needs to be. All right. So recap real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4 confidence arrows in a row. Oh, I didn't even point out the coolest thing. We broke below the Maverick guide. Okay. This blue line here is the Maverick guide. When we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. I'll just show you. Look at this all night long. Did it even break the Maverick guide? It didn't break the Maverick guide for here. It went hours above the Maverick guide. Look at this. If you would have stuck your trailing stop to the Maverick guide, you might have gotten stopped out right there because it wicked 2 ticks under. Okay, but other than like right here, you would have followed this sucker all the way up. I will never, ever, 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 ever trade without the Maverick guide on my screen. Hear me now, believe me later, right? So it broke above the Maverick guide and we just flew up. And the Maverick AI Pro shows you bright green candles, which is your highest up candle momentum. Tons of confidence arrows. Yeah, you had some down arrows, but these aren't sell signals. These are confidence arrows. So this is just heads up. And you notice when you got the down arrows, guess what? You were in chop. You were in sideways action. So anybody can see that. Okay. Below the Maverick guide, short. Above the Maverick guide, long. Look at this sucker. Below the Maverick guide, this blue line right here. I mean, don't overcomplicate this. Red background, below the Maverick guide, this blue line. Pink candles, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Okay. Above the Maverick guide. I mean, again, this isn't rocket science. Okay. So I'm going to keep watching this trade. If you notice, I have it like 1 tick above break even. It's early in the morning. If I lose $12.50, I don't care. But as many of you know, and go back and check this, ES a lot of times will revert back to where it closed the day before. So it drove up all night long. Do you think it's going to drive up all day long as well? A lot of times it comes at least halfway or all the way back to where it started the night before. Remember, the market opens back up at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So for me to risk $12.50 to bring it back to almost the open last night, I'm willing to take that trade. We'll see how it works out. If I lose $12.50, I won't lose any sleep. If I make about, I don't know what this will pay, 67, $800-900. Risk $12.50 to make $800. Sign me up. Okay. Maverick Multi-X is, you're having some retracement here. Okay. So we're coming up to the Maverick guide. Let's see if the Maverick guide holds. Okay. Remember, when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. All right. So if you're interested in having clear vision on your chart, above the Maverick guide, below the Maverick guide, above the Maverick guide, this blue line, below the Maverick guide. I mean, that alone, geez. Check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We're doing 50% off. Oh my gosh. Can't believe they're having me do this. 50% off. We're test marketing something. We're just seeing. So trust you and me, it's going to be a limited time. We're not doing that forever. 50% off monthly subscriptions. And look how it just bounced off the Maverick guide. Did you see that? Did you see how it just bounced? Let me zoom in here. It just like pushed right off the Maverick guide. Anyway, we're doing 50% off monthly subscriptions so you can try us out. and 50% off lifetime subscriptions. Lifetime members, you're gonna wanna be a lifetime member. I say this in every video. We're just working on getting a few more indicators on, we don't like to release an indicator until it's available on NinjaTrader and TradingView. But our lifetime members, we're gonna give like a nice little suite of indicators that are gonna be pretty cool to have on your charts, especially for NinjaTrader, but also on TradingView. We have some auto-populating levels that we have been testing that we're crushing it with. There's like a lot of cool stuff that the lifetime members are going to get for free. And then any other big time indicator that we come out with, because we have some crazy cool stuff cooking right now, being developed with artificial intelligence and everything. It's in R&D right now. Those lifetime members are going to get pretty stupid discounts as well on that stuff. So make sure you check out the lifetime membership. All right. MaverickIndicators.com. I'm going to keep watching this thing. Nothing like risking $12.50 to make, $800 or more. Cool. Because I'll probably add to the position. So, all right, great. Hope you guys have a great day. Go crush it. And hope to meet you soon and welcome you as part of the Maverick family. All right.